Hello, welcome to my channel, World Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a simple dish. I'm going to grill a salmon and a side of eggplant. So this is all the ingredients. This is so simple because I'm in a hurry, I'm hungry. And I'm going to put this salmon. I found this one in the store. It says garlic, citrus, and basil. And I'm going to put a little paprika on it. And I will spray with the olive oil spray, cooking spray. This goes to eggplants. I'm going to make eggplant with garlic. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to spray it out here. And sprinkle some of that. While you're doing this, preheat your oven 400 degrees. That way your oven is ready. It's preheated now. And let's spray that. Spray on that top. And another sprinkle of that on top. Alright, and let's bake it for like 15 to 20 minutes or until the fish is cooked. Just cut the sweet peppers to small pieces, like small cubes. So we cut the eggplant. Depends how you like to cut it. And I think I'm gonna cut like this too. Like 1 inch. Okay, let's saute the eggplants. You just put some like 1 tablespoon there of olive oil, and let's wait it until I heat it up. So now let's add the garlic. Saute it until golden brown. My pan is wiggling. Now let's add the pepper. And let's go ahead and got also eggplant. And just all that stuff too. And this is the dark sauce. Just make sure until the eggplant is fully cooked. I add a little water, like 2 tablespoons. Almost there. Alright, my eggplant is cooked, so let's check the fish, the salmon. Alright everyone, this is my grilled salmon with citrus, garlic and basil herbs and paprika, and a side of garlic eggplants. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please support my channel. Okay, God bless you all and take care. See ya.